years old or younger, please stick around if you're younger, okay? I know usually you get this question asked all the time, which is, are you 18 years above? But I'm asking you, are you 18 years and younger? Also, if you have a parent who's watching this, I mean, if there's a parent who's watching this and you're watching it for your kid and your kid is passionate about fashion, please make sure you stick around till the end of this video. Also, if you're just a fashion aspirant or a design aspirant and you've always wanted to kickstart a career in fashion and don't know how to get started, or if you've always wanted to learn fashion illustrations, or you've needed the motivation or wanted somebody to just prompt you and push you, stick around till the end of this video because I am here to help you. Who am I? Okay, for all of you who are new here, hi, my name is Shivangi Lahoti, aka your designer Didi, and I have been an online educator and a fashion designer for the last 10 plus years, both inside and outside design school. I've been a part of NIFT Mumbai in their undergraduate program. I also hold a dual degree, so I hold a degree from FIT New York, and I've topped pretty much both my colleges. I also hold a certification from IIM Ahmedabad in creative and cultural businesses, and I am also a Niti Aayog incubatee, which is pretty much a big deal because it's pretty much like the brain and the startup brain of the government of India. So that's a little about me, but the reason why I'm here talking to you is because I have been MIA from YouTube, and you guys know it obviously, but I'm here to share the reason why, and it is because I've been planning on 2 really epic stuff for all of you. One of them being, we are running a free Your Dream Fashion Life challenge and doing a second run of it. Who's excited? I totally am. I'm so thrilled and excited to share with you guys that not for 1, not for 5 days like last time. This time we are doing Your Dream Fashion Life challenge for complete 30 days, and it's going to be insane and epic, okay? So the entire month of June is going to be super power packed, making sure that you guys are illustrating and drawing your fashion figures every single day and learning something new and pushing yourself to think originally and think creatively as a designer, okay? So there are only 2 things that you need to do to be a part of this free 30-day challenge, which is you have to sign up on the link which is in the description box. It already shows you the link is specifically for signing up for this particular program, which is going to be a 30-day challenge where we'll have a creative community of designers, design enthusiasts, and fashion aspirants come together and sketch every single day. Details for the prompts will be shared with you after you've signed up for it and you're a part of the challenge. The challenge goes live on 1st June, so make sure you get all your friends to be a part of it as well. We want to make India's biggest fashion community on the internet, and this is the biggest fashion challenge we have ever hosted in Designer Shala, and I'm so thrilled and so excited to welcome each one of you to be a part of these 30 days and come together and community ki tarah just illustrate, just have fun and be pushed so that you learn something new these 30 days, okay? So that's my big announcement number 1. My announcement number 2 is actually applicable for you only if you're 18 and under, or if you want to share this with somebody who's 18 years old and younger, because I am doing the first ever fashion summer camp online in Designer Shala, and I'm so thrilled and excited to be hosting this. It's going to be live one-on-one training for all of you young fashion aspirants and young fashion dreamers who want to kickstart a journey in fashion. You will be learning with me live for the duration of these 2 weeks, which is June 1st to June 15th, and we're going to meet Monday to Friday, wherein I give you a lot of work to do, and then Saturdays and Sundays are your days for basically doing the homework and then meeting me again. And at the end of these 2 weeks, there is an amazing surprise for all my students who sign up for this. So don't wait anymore, just go on the link, read all the details about the fashion summer camp, and just sign up and pre-book it so that you're making the most of your summers and most of your post-pandemic summer vacation, holidaying basically at home, and wasting away your time on Instagram comes to a halt as you start learning with me. The free challenge is something that I would really encourage all of you to do, even if you don't sign up for the summer camp. But the summer camp is absolutely going to be gold, where I teach you everything that you should be learning as a fashion aspirant, as a young student who wants to dip their feet and understand if a career in fashion is for you or not. And I know I've had a lot of requests in the last 48 hours for people asking me who are 20 years, 21 years, 23 years, 24 years and older. And a surprise for you guys, if you've stuck around till so long, while you make the payment, just make sure that you choose the option for your age, and I will be creating a separate batch for you if we have enough number of students, which I'm sure we will. So this is applicable for you regardless, and it's going to be absolute fun of making prints, making your fashion figures, learning all about color theory, learning all about how to actually make your folds, make your garments. It's going to be super fun, and I'm going to simplify it for all my young bachas, so that if you really want to kickstart a career in fashion, you get an insight on how you can do it and how you can build a career. Okay, so this is especially for all my bachas. It's been created to make sure that it's super simplified, and the language would be really easy for you to understand. So please make sure that if you're really interested and want to invest your time and energy in yourself and doing something super productive, sign up for these 2 weeks with me, and I'll see you in the academy now. So that's it. I've said it all. Now on, just like, I know it's not like a demand of sorts, but I just want to do it regardless because, you know, it's been a while. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your Shivangi. Okay, we're gonna close it here because I do feel that my YouTube intro skills are a little rusted right now, but I love you guys, absolutely adore you guys, and I can't wait to see you as a part of the summer camp. It's going to be epic, and I'm so looking forward to it. Bye. Mwah.